A garage owner suffered severe injuries when his manhood was crushed by an out-of-control car, leaving him unsure if his unrecognizable penis still functions. Karl Farrar, 49, was trying to reverse a BMW Estate into his garage for repairs. After applying the handbrake, he exited the vehicle. However, as he stepped out during the incident on June 16th, the car began to roll down the ramp. Footage shows Karl desperately attempting to stop the car by pushing against it before he was smashed against the wall. In the video, Karl can be heard yelling for help. A staff member attempted to assist him by getting into the car and trying to drive it away. Unfortunately, the car was still in reverse gear, causing it to roll backward again and crush him before the staff member finally managed to maneuver it away. The harrowing footage reveals Karl collapsing onto the shop floor, unable to get back up. He was taken to Manchester Royal Infirmary by ambulance, where he spent a week. Doctors diagnosed him with soft tissue damage to his pelvic area and groin after an MRI scan. Karl admitted that he hasn't been able to watch the CCTV footage because it is too traumatic for him. He also mentioned that certain areas of his manhood are unrecognizable, and he remains uncertain about their functionality. "My man bits were smashed to bits," he said. "They were swollen, black and blue, and unrecognizable in one area. I don't know if they work or function because the area is still very painful, but I hope it will be okay. It was a scary couple of weeks." He added, "A lot of the damage is soft tissue and nerve damage. Luckily, nothing broke. It was obviously very painful, but I'm not one to complain easily. The scariest moment for me was when they had me on the floor, trying to straighten my leg, and I couldn't bear the pain." Karl later found out that the car had an issue with its handbrake and estimated that the vehicle weighed around 1,800 kilo. After the incident, garage workers fitted the car with 2 new doors and repaired its rear. He explained, "The car was put in reverse twice, which crushed my leg harder into the booth. I'm now hobbling around, but there is still some pretty significant internal damage and a hole in my groin area. That said, I've recovered better than the doctors and physiotherapists expected at this point."